Have you ever come across a green, wrinkly pear-shaped vegetable in the market and thought, what on earth is that? That's chayote, and trust me, it's one of the most underrated vegetables in the world. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 10 benefits of chayote, backed by research and years of medical practice. And let me tell you, if you stay with me until the end, you'll understand why adding this humble veggie to your diet might just be the game changer your body has been waiting for. For those of you new here, I'm Dr. Zinedine, a medical doctor with 8 years of clinical experience and a master's in public health. My passion is helping people live healthier, longer, and stronger lives, and part of that is shining a light on foods that don't always get the spotlight, but can radically improve your health. Chayote is one of those foods. Let's dive in. Number 10. Hydration Booster. Chayote is over 90% water. In a world where most people walk around dehydrated without even realizing it, this veggie can keep your body cool, your skin radiant, and your kidneys happy. Number 9. Weight Management. Low in calories, high in fiber. Chayote is the kind of food that lets you eat more while actually helping you lose weight. Imagine snacking on something that fills you up, but doesn't fill you out. Number 8. Digestive fiber. Yes, we hear about it all the time, but chayote brings it in a gentle way. It eases digestion, supports bowel regularity, and nourishes your gut bacteria. Pause here and ask yourself, when was the last time you thought about feeding your gut, not just your taste buds? Number 7. Natural energy source. Packed with B vitamins, chayote helps your body turn food into energy. No crash, no jitters, just steady vitality to get you through the day. Number 6. Immune system. Shield. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, chayote strengthens your body's defense system. Think of it as a daily shield against colds, infections, and even premature aging. Number 5. Pregnancy powerhouse. For expecting mothers, folate is gold, and chayote is a natural source. Folate protects babies from neural tube defects and supports healthy growth. This isn't just food, it's life-giving nutrition. Number 4. Blood sugar balancer. Here's where it gets exciting. Research shows chayote may help regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity. For millions struggling with diabetes and prediabetes, this is not just another vegetable, it's potential medicine on your plate. Number 3. Heart protector. Chayote is potassium-rich and sodium-light, the perfect combo for blood pressure control. On top of that, antioxidants help keep arteries clean and flexible. Picture this, every bite of chayote is like polishing the inside of your blood vessels. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory warrior. Inflammation is at the root of so many modern diseases. Compounds in chayote help calm the body's fire, soothing joints, reducing cellular stress, and slowing down aging at the very core. Number 1. Longevity. Superfooders. The crown jewel. Studies suggest chayote's unique blend of antioxidants, minerals, and polyphenols may extend not just lifespan, but healthspan, the number of years you live disease-free, active, and thriving. In other words, chayote isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. So here's the unforgettable takeaway. Chayote is proof that sometimes the most powerful medicines don't come from a pharmacy, they come from nature's garden. Next time you see this humble green vegetable, don't walk past it. Pick it up, cook it, taste it. Let it work its magic in your body. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button so more people discover this hidden gem. Subscribe for more doctor-backed insights on foods that can change your life. And in the comments, tell me, have you ever tried chayote before? And how do you prepare it? Your story might inspire someone else to take their first step toward better health. Remember, your health is your wealth, and chayote might just be the best investment you've never made.
Thanks for listening.